promoting eco-tourism and health activities both. In fact, you are helping us out in promoting tourism as well. Because when you have this heritage cycling tours, there will be a lot of places which people visit, which normally they would be visiting every day, but they don't know of. I can tell specific examples of places like Gun Foundry. There are a lot of people here and in Hyderabad who don't exactly know where the Gun Foundry, the real Gun Foundry exists. If you ask anybody, they say this entire area is known as Gun Foundry. So these kind of small things when you go on these heritage tours, especially from Charminar to Chowmalla and Kava, other places, you will help us all a lot and great deal in promoting tourism as well and getting knowledge about the places that are there. Besides that, now we are having the first bicycling tour from Visakhapatnam to Anandgiri Hills there close to Visakhapatnam, and then further you can probably plan something to Arku Valley, which is also very, very picturesque. So we have built another new resort here in Vikarabad, which is very close to the city and within your range of 110 kilometers of cycling. I think the distance totally is about 85 kilometers from the city. So we would be very happy to associate with you for that place as well. And then we have this place called Farabad in this Nallamala forest range, where again we can plan out something from Mananur to Farabad, which will be a good place, through the thick forest. That is absolutely inside the forest. Farabad, in fact, is away from the main highway, going right inside the forest. And Belam Cave is another place which will be good for your cycling trips. So in any way possible, APTC will be very happy to associate itself and wish you all the very best for it. Thank you.